Yes, well documented po ito from the start to end. Ayan. Here are our friends coming all the way from Cagayan State University of Apari. Ito yung mga student nyo ma'am sa habang sila ay bumababa. They just came from Apari. And I hope they will be enjoying, of course, their visit dito sa Karanan Babbay. Bumababa po sila dito sa may junction ng Nararagan, of which we have to travel several kilometers away para makita natin yung community where yung mga indigenous people natin ay matatagpuan sa araw na ito. Hi, I hope you will enjoy your stay here. Ito, mga estudyante ng what course po kayo? Bachelor of Science in Education, secondary. Okay. And your subject all about yung related po dito is about social dimension. You get ready, I'll be interviewing you one by one probably, no? For record purposes. Ito yung mga friends natin. Hi. Mukhang napagod, Is it alright? Okay ka lang? You are feeling fine. Hello. Hi! So you have our mentor, our dear professor, joining the group in going to Karanan Babbay. I hope you will enjoy your stay here. We will be staying here for almost 12 hours.
Yes, sir.
The whole day. So we are making an on-the-spot report of what will happen sa Karanan Babbay. Actual location po natin, nandito tayo sa May Junction ng Nararagan. And this will be through the facilities, of course, ng inyong kaibigan. And it will not be only on radio. This will be posted sa internet.
Ito rin yung coordinator namin ng professional subjects.
Okay, ma'am. I shall borrow some special moments mamaya for short interview. Mama, okay, we are getting ready to move in. Okay? Okay, so there they are from air-conditioned bus to a PUJ. Mag-taste lang po kayo, no? May bawal pa sila.
Yes, sir.
Included ba kami dyan?
Akala namin, sir, kami ang pakakainin niyo.
Bahala dyan si Sir Vic. Ang ating mga students coming all the way from Cagayan State University of Apari. Ayan, maninibago sila ngayon dahil naka-air condition yung sinakyan. Ngayon, sasakay sila ng ordinary public utility jeepney. This will be the vehicle na magdadala sa kanila po all the way from Junction Nararagan to Karanan Babbay. Magkakasya kaya yan?
Mukhang hindi, sir.
Sir Vic, mukhang hindi magkakasya.
Magkaya ba lang mutikam, sir?
Do you have any idea? Ilan po tayong lahat? 30 plus. No, exact number.
Ma'am, ilan daw tayo?
Ma'am, actually,
31 students plus 3 teachers.
Okay, so that is for a total of 34. Okay, a very big group going all the way to visit our indigenous people. Yan. Ang ating literacy facilitator, si Ma'am Jonalyn.
sponsors.
Laban tayo. Okay lang.
Ay, kwenta. Oy. Buhat na, buhat.
Double deck ang seating arrangement nyo.
Hindi ata pwede sa taas po.
Wala na yata kami masasakyan.
Maglakad na lang tayo po, no? Mga 17 kilometers.
O, di ma.
Yan ha. Dala-dala na ang kanilang mga posing. Uy, wag kang galit.
O, di ma.
So yan, hindi ba? O, picture.
Kita ba yung di ma?
Sa taas. O, ma'am. Sir, join pa muna, ma'am. Dito, o.
Di ma.
Sali ako ha.
Yes, sir.
Habang kinukuha natin ng coverage itong ongoing na visit ng ating friends all the way from Cagayan State University of Paris. They're very busy yung ating mga highest paid photographers.
Di ma.
Isa pa.
Para sa amin.
Pang-funksyonin.
Mga road na kami nagbakatin.
Sige, ay, hindi. Dito yan.
So, nandyan ang ating Alternative Learning System Coordinator, Sir Vic, ang ating facilitator, si Ma'am Jonalyn, and of course, our friends from Cagayan State University. Si Ma'am, this is your second time around dito, ano Ma'am? Okay, I hope may bigay mo sila sa kanila yung mga details of what we expect to see there. And winding road going to Nararagan. At syempre, nandito ang piloto natin na si Sir Vic. Makikita natin ngayon dyan sa baba. Of the concrete road. Start ng ating bumpy road. Saan ba yan? Kung natin ito off-road daw. Ito, mga ebidensya na yesterday at kagabi may ulan dito kaya may mapapansin tayong mga tubig dito sa dinadaanan natin. Thanks God, umulan kahapon at kagabi at very thankful po ang ating mga farmers. At least wet na ang kanilang mga soil at pwede na naman sigurong magtanim o kaya ayusin ang kanilang mga rice fields. Okay, palapit tayo dito sa may bridge na kung saan nung bumagyo ay halos ang level ng tubig ay halos dito sa flooring. Ayan, ang layo, no? Pero umabot dito sa may flooring ng bridge.